Hey guys! Now and then I actually get comments from people saying they thought my flowers looked real, so I thought it would be a great idea to make a video about it. Since these cute yellow flowers bloom around this time, I picked a few and tried to recreate them in the paper quilling technique. Let me show you how it went. So I'm gonna begin by showing you how the petals are made. I actually found these flowers recently while strolling through my neighborhood, and I just love them. I think they're probably a tiny species of cone flowers, but I'm not very sure of their exact name. So you begin by inserting a paper strip in the quilling slotted tool, and then start rolling. As you roll, you will add the second and third paper strips, like you see me doing here. Let the coil loosen just a little bit between your fingers before sealing it with glue to prevent further loosening. Add some glue on the back side of the petals and let the glue sit for a few seconds. Afterwards, start shaping it. Also, just to mention in passing, you can read more about the supplies I used in the description box below the video. Next step is making the black center of the flower. I glued 1mm paper strips on both sides of these wider black paper strips to make the stamen of the flower. You will see that in just a little bit. Here I'm making the back side of the flowers that will go underneath the petals. If you want to learn how I make the leaves, you can watch this video here. And if you want to know how I make the stems, you can watch this video here. The links to both are in the description box below. I made separate videos for these elements since they are parts of the flower that are pretty much the same in a lot of my videos, and so I thought there's no point in always repeating this step. And now comes the best part of putting the flower together like so. When you glue the petals, let the glue sit for a couple of seconds before gluing the petal to the flower. It helps it stick better. I went a further step and painted the center of the flower with some black semi-shiny ink. The real flowers have a black center at first, but after a couple of days of keeping them in a vase in water, some of the stamens change into yellow. I tried to imitate the real flowers, so I made some yellow dots on my flowers too, the stamens, with acrylic paint. But in the end, I think I prefer them better without the yellow stamens, just simply black. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope this video inspired you to try your hand at recreating real flowers, or that at least it was something enjoyable for you to watch. Have a great week, guys, and see you next time!